Game. Ang una muna tol is yung pangalan mo, saan ka nag-aaral, anong course, tapos ilang taon, anong gender.
Sige,
Okay, game na tol, game na.
sasagot ko na.
Ah,
Ako si RG Ukang, nag-aaral sa Asian Institute of Maritime Studies. 21 years old. Tapos, ano pa?
anong course?
Marine Transportation.
Ilang taon tol?
21.
21. Ito na, yung pangatlong ito na yung tanong talaga. How many hours per week do you typically work at your job?
Ano kasi, hawak ka naman ng oras ko eh. Siguro mga 7 to 10 hours per week.
Oo, tagal nun. Sa per night?
Depende kasi hawak ko naman yung oras ko sa trabaho eh. Mga 1 to 2 hours ganun.
Okay. Yung pangapat na question is, what's your typical bedtime during the week or during the night? Per night. Pwedeng week,
Mga
pwedeng
12, ganun. 11 to 12.
Yung panglima, ito kaduktong niya to. When do you usually wake up?
Mga 10, 11, ganun.
11 ng gabi?
Umaga.
Yung pang-anim naman is, how many hours of sleep do you aim for each night during the week? Ilang oras?
Mga 7 to 8.
Yung ini-aim mo?
Oo.
Okay. Yung pang-7 naman is, describe a time when you felt super tired or sleepy during a laboratory class. What was that like and how did it affect your ability to focus and participate?
Pero nung isang beses wala akong tulog. Ang bigat sa pakiramdam. Tapos, ayun, ang hirap makinig kasi maikli attention span mo. Tapos gusto mong matulog.
Next
Yun lang.
naman, ito. Ito, isang number lang to, sagutin mo lang ng yes or no. Are you currently working while studying?
Yes.
Yes. Number 9, ito, explain to Do you notice any difference in your performance in laboratory classes on days when you had a good night's sleep versus days when you haven't?
Oo naman, mas madaling pick up yung lessons pag kompleto yung tulog mo. Mas nakaka-focus ka.
Kaysa sa walang tulog, no?
Oo.
Number 10, when you're feeling tired or sleepy during a laboratory class, do you have any tricks or techniques for staying alert and focused?
Wala, nag-ano lang ako CR, tapos silamos.
CR lang, tas silamos, pampagising.
Oo.
Number 11, have you experienced any challenges balancing work and school responsibilities?
Wala pa naman.
Kasi hawak mo yung oras mo, no?
Oo.
Pang 12, if you're struggling with sleepiness or fatigue affecting your laboratory classes, do you know where to go for support or advice?
Hindi eh. No idea.
Sarili mo lang din.
Oo.
Nalalaman mo.
Oo.
Okay, pang 13, what do you think could be done to help students like you get better rest and perform better in their laboratory classes?
Siguro maging na lang sila. Mas bigyan ng konting consideration pag alam nilang working student o estudyante.
Pang 14, is there anything else you want to add about how sleep affects your experience in laboratory class? Any stories or insights you think are important to share?
Wala naman, basta importante lang talaga na may enough sleep para makapag-focus sa mga lab. Yun lang.
Yun lang. Ay, Monton, open ka.